In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Instantly.ai for SMMA. So if you own an agency and you're looking for a way to not only get leads, but also do outreach to those leads, even on autopilot, then Instantly AI is a great tool to check out. And in this video, I'll just show you how you can use it. And on top of just doing outreach and having a lead database, it also has an AI-powered CRM. So to get started, you can just go to instantly.ai and then click start for free. Now from here, you can then create a new account by entering your first and last name, email address, password, and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then they have a few questions such as where did you find us? Then what best describes your industry? So if you are an SMMA, then that would probably be an agency. Then your company size, and then click continue. And I'm just going to verify your email. So the email looks something like this, so just click here to confirm your email and then it'll take you to Instantly. So now you can get started with using Instantly. Now you can see they have over 80 million business contacts. Now you can also connect and warm up your email accounts, you can import your leads and create email outreach campaigns, manage replies and close deals. You have your analytics, and then again it works as a CRM. And on top of that, you can also track your website visitors. So after going through that small onboarding, from here you can then just go and add an email account to get started. So simply click on add new right there, and they have pre-warmed accounts, but currently they are sold out, but you can see when the next batch drop is right there, or maybe when you are trying this they will have some. Now this is very helpful because they will already be warmed up and you will have no issues with deliverability. Now you can also get a done for you email setup where they set up your account, you choose the domain and account names, and this also gets you the optimized deliverability. So if this one is sold out, then I would recommend doing the done for you email setup. But if you already have an account and you know that your account is warmed up, or you know how to warm up an email account, then you can just connect it through here. Now, if you're going to connect your Google account, then you need to follow some steps first. So go to Gmail, click gear icon, click all settings, now forwarding and POP/IMAP. Now you can also just click on this link, and then in this access section, select enable IMAP and click save changes. So I'll just quickly show you. I'm right now in Gmail. Then here you have IMAP. You'll just want to click enable IMAP and then click save changes. Now they will need to verify it's me to continue, so I just need to open the app on my phone to confirm it. So I have now saved it, and now you can go back to Instantly and click yes, IMAP has been enabled. Now you can select a connection option. Now this one's recommended, so I'll just do this one. And then here again, follow these steps right here to add it. So go to the workspace admin panel. Then click on add app, then select the OAuth app name or client ID and then just paste in this ID. Then click login and just go and log in to your email address from there. Now the best feature in Instantly in my opinion is the lead finder, simply because they have a whole bunch of different filters you can use. So first what I recommend is going by industry, because you are probably in a specific industry if you have an SMMA. So just go search industries. They have some examples here, for example media and entertainment. But for example, if I work with dentists, then I'll go to keywords and include the keyword dentists. And then also include dental. Now here there are a bunch more filters that you can choose, even such as the funding type or in the company or the location right here. For example, if I want to focus on the United States, then I can just enter United States or even pick a specific state. For example, I'll go New York, United States. And for the job title, then let's say I want to have CEO, CFO, COO, any of the owners basically. And then it's going to show you a list of leads right here. Now you can see they have found 1,304 results, and this is for dentist practice owners that are in New York in the United States. So it's pretty specific, but yet they have still found 1,300 results, including their email and potential phone numbers. So now what you can do is just take all of them right here. So select the first 25 results, for example, or even select all of them. So I'll take the first 10 results and then click add to campaign. Now here you can click select target campaign. Now since you don't have one yet, you cannot yet add it to a campaign. Now instead what you can do is just type something, so for example 1, and then click create campaign. Then you can check for duplicates across all campaigns. Now usually I do recommend that, but now it doesn't matter since it's the first one. And you can also enable evergreen, but for that you will need to upgrade. So then click add to campaign, and then it's going to add those 10 contacts into the campaign. Then to go to your actual campaign and build it out, you can click on this icon that says campaigns right there, and then you will see your campaign. So just going to open it up. And from here, you can now actually start building it. So go to sequences, and now here you have step 1, step 2, etc. So for step 1, what I can do is just write out an email right here. So just write your first email that you want to send. Now, if you want to start with the name, for example, so for example, hi, and then their first name, then click on this lightning icon, and then click first name. And then it got in the wrong place right now, so I'll just paste it in right there, hi, first name, and that section will be populated automatically with your lead's first name. So just write out your email. Then you can also add a variant, so you can do A/B testing and even more. So as you can see, it's A to Z, so you can really test as much as you want, and you can also use AI to generate the email. On top of that, they have templates, so you can see for lead generation, for a lead gen agency, for coaching, or marketing and advertisement. For example, if I go by marketing, let's say I have a marketing agency, then let's say getting clients for a marketing agency, email number 1. So first name, if you're not like a lot of entrepreneurs, you probably have a hard time figuring out where to start with your marketing. So you could send something like this and click use template, and then that will be entered automatically. Now you can also add a variant to test out a different one, and then that is the first email you're going to send. Then click step 2 right there. And then here, first you can choose when you want to send the next message. So automatically it's set to 1 day. I'm going to keep it to that, but you can change it to whatever amount you want. So in step 2, let's say I want to use another template, then I can click template. And now if I go to the same section, so marketing and advertising, just now I picked getting clients for a marketing agency, email 1. So now I could pick email 2. And then you can see this is the second email, so it kind of matches with the first one. And then I can just use that entire template to try out if it actually is good. And in my opinion, it looks very good, but you want to go and try it out. So this one has 4 emails. So I've now added all of them. So for example, I want to send the first email at the beginning, then wait 1 day for step 2. Then for example, I'll wait for 3 days until step 3. And then for example, until step 4, I'll wait for 5 days. So just going to build it out, and you can also insert a link. You can even add code if you want. And once you're done, you can then click on save, and then the campaign has been saved. So now if you click on resume campaign, you can say the campaign has been resumed. Now you do want to go and save all of these emails so that they actually save. And now I have set it up. Now in the lead section of this campaign, you can see some of them have already been imported. So I have 4 of them right here, and these are all dentists from the United States and specifically from New York. And you can see these are the owners of these companies. And you can now in the sequence just let them go through this. So in the schedule you can see it. So now all of these leads right here are going to go through the sequence, and if you click on a specific lead, you can also see their details, and under activities, you can see everything that has been sent to them so far. Now what you can also do is set up subsequences. So if you click add new and then next, for this you will again need to upgrade, but setting up a subsequence can be great if, for example, someone responded to your first email, then you could say in the subsequence that they go in a different path since they have responded, and this one is for if they don't respond. Then in the schedule section here, you can create a schedule, so you can set the timing for your emails, so at what times they are sent and at what days they are sent. Then under options, you can select which account you want to use, so you need to add your email account if you haven't done so yet. Then you can also choose to stop sending emails on reply, which I recommend to enable. Otherwise, you are going to send them the same sequence, even though you yourself may already be chatting with them. Now you can also track email opens, and you can just enable that right here, which I do recommend so that you can see if someone is opening your emails. And you can set up delivery optimization, but this does disable open tracking. So if you want to do this, then this is going to be disabled. So you can just choose which of these is more important to you. They can also set a maximum number of emails that you can send per day, and you have some advanced options such as the CRM owner, custom tags, time gap between emails, a maximum amount of new leads per day, and much more right here. So then you can click save in the bottom, and you have then saved that campaign. But if you want to add more leads to a campaign, just open it up and then go to the leads section right here and then click add leads, and then you can add them in. Now in your Unibox right here, you can see a unified inbox of all of your emails, and that is very helpful to have, especially if you have multiple email addresses connected. Then in your analytics, you can see the total amount of sent emails, the open rate, click rate, reply rate, and even the opportunities. Then in your CRM section right here is of course where you have the CRM. Now for this, first just set up your email account, but you can also set up calls, SMS, and tasks through your CRM. Now, if you go to website visitors right here, you can also choose to connect your website and then track and convert your visitors into leads. For this, you will need to have the Hyper CRM plan, and you can see right here that costs $97 per month, or with annual billing, $77.60 per month. So to use Instantly as an SMMA or agency owner, you just want to set up a campaign, and you can optimize it over time by tracking the open rate, response rate, and how many customers you actually get through each campaign. And then just add leads to that campaign, let them go through it, and again just optimize over time until you have a very good email marketing campaign. So now you know how to use Instantly AI for SMMA. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.